carry a room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here, there's a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 26, effective until midnight Central Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Hinds, Leake, Madison, Rankin, Scott, and Yazoo. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station.